If planets had accidents like cars, the universe would be pure chaos.
Normally, planets stay perfectly in their lanes.
But one small deviation is enough.
Gravity has no brakes and no warning system.
Only speed and mass. When planets collide,
The energy release is unimaginable.
a planet can be torn apart.
Temperatures exceed stellar levels. Collateral damage is inevitable. One collision can destroy an entire system. Gravity loses balance. Sometimes, rings are born from destruction.
But most collisions leave nothing behind. If this happened to Earth,
there would be no defense. Life would end instantly. History erased.
The universe doesn't forgive mistakes.
Subscribe to Cosmonex for more cosmic realities.